muscular function. That's PNF. The first one we're going to do is the hamstrings. So if you notice, I'm always to the outside of you. Like I'm never to the inside of your inner thighs. So I'm out here. Now what I want to do is make a teepee with my legs. So this leg forward, this leg back. So what I'm doing here is I'm splitting my legs always, or I'm going to split this way in order to support my back better. So at first I'm going to push your leg just to see where it sort of stops, where it stops naturally. I want to leave a little bend here, and then I'm going to protect the knee with my hand here. And my other hand goes to the outside to just help me balance. My knees are on the pad with you.
Okay.
So then from here, you're going to push toward me.
Okay.
So what's great, so you can push with a lot of strength. So I have a lot of strength because I'm able to like leverage off my back legs. What's great about this is you're determining how much you stretch by how much you push. I'm not pushing you, you're pushing me.
Okay.
And then let it go. And then I always just cue with let it fall. So we'll just see where it falls to naturally. Now you can see it moves a lot freer, right?
Okay.
Okay, now go ahead and do it again. Now this time try to straighten out the knee just a little bit. So not fully extended right there. That's good. And then go ahead and push toward me again. Good. And you're going to notice a deeper stretch this time in the hamstring. So this muscle back here.
Okay.
A lot of good breathing.
Yep.
I want to do about 10 seconds on each one of these. Yeah, so it's a consistent 10-second push from you. And then let it go. Let it fall. Good. And now you can see it's coming even closer. Okay, so probably one more. So a little straighter on the knee here. Then the push. Good. And 10 seconds. Sometimes I'll count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then let it go. And let it fall. Good. Okay, so that's all the way down for the hamstring. Now we're going to do the inner thigh. So now I'm going to go sideways. And you'll notice I'm going to make myself like a teepee. So I'm going to spread my legs side, side. And then you're going to push this way. So you're going to push toward me. Toward the neck.
Toward this way,
to
the side.
Yeah. Perfect. So you should feel a stretch in the inner thighs. Notice I'm still to the outside of you. So just trying to like give you your privacy. I'm over here. Sometimes I'll put a pillow underneath this knee just to give me more support. But I'll make myself like a tripod. That way my back doesn't take a lot of the pressure.
So same thing, press 10 seconds.
Yeah, so press 10 seconds. Good. Now let it fall. Good. Now you can see it moves quite a bit. Okay, same. Now I just moved away and then push. Good. So I don't want to go too far where you don't have any strength. Like I don't want to go too far away. I want to be close enough that you still have strength to push.
Okay.
So there we go. So push as hard as you can. And I always tell people like it feels like you're pushing so hard, but you're not. It doesn't feel that way to me. I always tell people push as hard as you can, like because they think they're gonna hurt you, but it doesn't hurt. And then let it go. And good. And that's like almost full range. You can see you lose range right about there. So we'll do one more here. Go ahead and push.
And then also try to straighten the knee a little bit.
Yeah, so try to straighten the knee a little bit, just like the hamstring. Good. Hard as you can. 5 more seconds. And then let it go. And then let it fall. Yeah, important to do the let it fall every time too, because that checks for the range. Okay, then the last one is the hip. So we're going to go turning outward. Now you can see that this hip is tight. So where it's really supposed to be is this foot is supposed to be all the way over here. So we're starting with it all the way back here. Okay, so now I'm going to TP my legs, one forward, one back. I'm on the pad with you. I have this on my shoulder, on the right side of my shoulder, and then I have this bone not digging into me. So now you're going to push into me here. Good. And then slightly, I'm going to make sure this stays at the 90-degree angle, and then I'm going to pull this knee outward as you push. Good. So see, I'm pulling here, you're pushing here, but you're determining the level by how hard you push. And then let it go, let it fall. Good. Now, quite a bit more movement. You see, we went from here to roughly there. So much better. And then go ahead and push again. Good. So you can kind of feel me tugging here, and then you push here. And then I always tell people, if you feel your knees or anything, tell me about it during when we're doing it, not afterward. And then let it go. Let it fall. See, now it's
Okay.
Way closer. Okay, and then one more. Pushing as hard as you can, 10 seconds. And then I'm checking to make sure this is at 90 or above 90, this knee degree angle.
Okay.
And then let it go. And let it fall. Okay. Yeah, good. So you see your range went from here to roughly there.
Okay.
So it was like 4 inches of range.
Okay.
Good.